Introducing the 75 stem rose wrap, designed to add elegance to your arrangements. This luxurious wrap is your ticket to creating breathtaking displays that exude sophistication and style. Let's take a closer look at what each set includes and how to use it. Each set includes 5 premium sheets pre-attached with 3 additional sheets provided to enhance the look. Lay out the 5 pre-attached sheets on your work table and set aside. To use the additional sheets, fold them in half diagonally, ensuring 4 peaks are seen. Proceed by folding towards the middle, the left and the right side of the sheet, attaching with small pieces of tape without pressing too hard on the paper. Continue this process with the remaining sheets. Now place those sheets evenly distributed on top of your 5-sheet pre-attached wrap and secure with tape without pressing too hard on the paper. Now place your 75 stem bouquet over the sheets and fold the sheets neatly around the stem. If needed, secure with a small piece of tape. Proceed to tie your bouquet with the pre-attached ribbon. Use the 5-sheet pre-attached wrap without the inserts for mixed bouquets or smaller bouquets to enhance their look and create a really sophisticated, beautiful display. Enhance your floral presentations with our luxury 75 stem rose wrap. Order now and add a touch of sophistication to every bouquet.